everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 17th to the 21st of October 2022 on Monday. Desperation leads Lehasa into a Sangoma Ndumba, but what he hears is not pleasant. A guilty-ridden guide fight for Mapiti's project opportunity. Lucy's chance on love is squashed before it begins on Tuesday. Lehasa's trial commences and tempers blow through the roof. Kwaito has to break some disappointing news to a very enthusiastic friend. Musejadi is so committed to the story competition that she is willing to start afresh on Wednesday. Leto goes all in his cross-examination with the Abalone goon. Elizabeth agrees to a date with a former patient but discovers a shocking truth about him. Pex leaves Musejadi doubting herself once again on Thursday. New info surfaces at Lehasa's trial that heightens his distress. Lizzie puts a certain scammer in his place. The looming literature competition puts pressure on certain TEF high learners on Friday. Pretty experiences Lehasa's dark side, and it's not nice. Kwaito receives some good news from his boss. Jacobeth meets someone who awakens feelings within her that she thought had long died. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.